Hello everyone, it's me DGB Diwata and once again, welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I will be reacting to the cover song of Franz Rhythm and this is Dreams, popularized by none other than Cranberries. Father and Kids version, published 10 months ago with 760,000 views. I'm so excited. Hindi ko pala ito nagawa ng reaction video 10 months ago but ngayon ay nagbabalik tayo para sa Cranberries cover song ng Franz Rhythm kasi naman, talaga naman alam naman natin, we all know that Char is one of the underrated artists na talaga namang nakakakanta ng ng plakadong-plakado ang voice ni Dolores. Okay? So let's go, pakinggan na natin ito dahil drums dito si Char kaya na-excite ako. Let's go. Wow! Galing ng intro! Galing ang blending ni Daddy at ni Chena.
Oh, my life is changing every day, every possible way.
Ganyan yung talaga mo. Grabe, ang galing.
All my dreams, it's never quite as it seems, never quite as it seems.
Galing ni Char! Galing ni Char!
All my dreams, it's never quite as it seems, 'cause you're a dream to me, dream to me.
Ang saya!
Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone. Thank you.
Grabe, Char. Napahanga mo ko ng gusto dito. Grabe, ang galing. Char, masasabi ko na more than 100% ang ibinigay mong performance dito. Sobrang galing. Na-amaze ako ng husto sa'yo dito dahil ang Dreams ang one of the hardest songs ng Cranberries. Pero naitawid mo ito nang wala ako nakitang kahirap-hirap sa'yo. Yung transition ng voice mo, yung shifting from sabihin na natin na mahina tapos palakas, may pagka-husky pa yung voice. O diba, Char, kuhang-kuha mo. At ikaw na talaga ang Dolores ng Philippines, ang Cranberries ng Philippines. Okay? So anyway, ayan, sobra tayo napahanga. Siyempre, sinabayan pa ng blending ni Daddy Franz at saka ni Chen, diba? Sobrang ganda, sobrang galing ng pagkakaareglo at ang linis-linis ng pagkakanta na talagang ma-amaze kayo. At ayan, si Dod siguro yung cameraman, kaya wala siguro si Mami, kaya wala si Master Dod sa pagda-drums. And anyway, ayan, si Char isa sa masasabi ko na sobrang talented, one of the talented underrated artists. Why? Kasi Char can play keyboard, she can play guitar, she can play drums. Ayan, ano pa masasabi natin? She can sing. So, total package na po si Char. Matalino pa siya sa kanyang mga academic subjects. Talaga na bibigyan niya ng napakahusay na sabihin na nating nagpe-perform siya ng napakahusay sa school at talaga namang ang dami niyang achievements. Anyway, ayan, saludo ako sa Franz Rhythm. Daddy Franz, saludo po ako sa pagpapalaki mo sa mga anak mo. Hindi lang talented sa school, hindi lang sila gifted pagdating sa music, pero talagang napaka-respectful and humble ng iyong mga anak. Syempre, pagpapalaki yan ng mga magulang, okay? Anyway, if you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to give your thumbs up. And if you are just new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the tiny bell button, all notification bell to get notified on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe also. Franz Rhythm, ayan, madami kayong maririnig na magagandang cover song from them. Deserve nila ng maraming views and subscribers kasi naman napakahusay talaga at marami sila na-inspire ng mga Filipino, okay, worldwide. And syempre, nakikilala na sila sa mga sulok ng mundo dahil sa mga iba-ibang lahi na marami na pong foreign actors ang gumagawa ng reaction para sa kanila. And of course, don't forget to subscribe also ang aking DJB Israel. Ayan, marami kayong mapapanood na mga reaction video din yan. Once again, this is DJB Diwata, and always remember that music is life and life is dull without music, because music is the closest thing to a time machine because it brings us back to the memories of yesteryears. Bye bye. I love you all.